The main thing that I found is how do you increase toll road usage? How do you drive traffic to use a toll road versus a side road? And so one of the things that has become prevalent in the last 5 years is NFC technology. Now NFC isn't really that good in tolling because you have to stop, pay at a toll gate, opens the gate, and that's what we always had to do. But what it can do is allow you to reuse today's toll tags and reprogram them with your smartphone. So what does that do? Well, let's say you want to take an HOV lane and you don't have one of these fancy triple tags that does different toll modes. With your smartphone, you can now tap the tag with your phone. The app will update your tag. For the next 2 hours, you're in HOV mode on a standard window tag. The advantage to that is that if you want to take a toll road and you don't have one of these, you can now take that toll road that day, and it'll drive more traffic, more users to take a toll road versus a non-toll road. Secondarily, there are new payment methods that come out of NFC that maybe are new ideas. For instance, different payer. So my toll tag is in the car, and I want to let some other driver pay the tolls. An example of that is like Uber. If you've ever been on an Uber, a lot of times they want to take a side road and not take the toll road to save themselves some money. This would allow you to tap their tag and for the next 30 minutes, 1 hour, assume all responsibility for that toll tag. So all the tolls that tag collects will go to your account instead of their account. Big advantage to drive more traffic onto toll roads and to market that, in fact. Market to the Uber drivers, market to the customers so that they know they have an option of how they can get there quicker and faster using the toll roads. Finally, what's really cool about this is it uses today's technology, today's infrastructure. You don't have to change anything. The current tags, if they're 6C based RFID tags, if your current system uses that, the NFC and 6C can exist together, and the NFC will update the value of the RFID tag to include HOV, different payer, or other options. In fact, the real interesting thing about NFC is that you can change, you can disable the tag. So for instance, if you're going away for the weekend or you don't want someone to use your toll tag, you can tap the thing and say for the next 24 hours this toll tag is inactive, so that if they go to a gated toll, for instance, they'll hit the gate and they'll have to actually pay their own bill. I find this, someone borrows my car, brings it back, and they've run up $50 in tolls taking transit. So that's what the talk's going to be about, a little bit about how the technology today is available, and more than 3 billion smartphones are out there with NFC built into them, and this allows the existing technology to drive more revenue, create more opportunities to use toll roads. Thank you.